In this video, we're going to show you how to set up a tilt switch. So this tilt switch will turn off or give a signal to the Arduino on and off as it's tilting. You should be able to hear a ball rolling around in there as we're tilting it. To set this up, we need 3 wires, one for ground, one to supply power, one is our sensor wire, and then a 10K resistor. And then of course the tilt switch. So this tilt switch, I'm going to spread these apart a little bit so it can cross the bridge. Again, just out of organization, doesn't really matter where you put it. Make sure it's good and in there. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is supply some power. So this power is going to come from 5 volts. If you have a bar already, a 5 volts bar set up, you might want to go from there. I don't, so I'll just go right from the 5 volts. Going to connect it in line here. So this power is going to come through our 5 volts to the switch. If you tilt it, it'll send power to carry on. So I want to know that that power is getting through. So I'm going to plug a wire on the other side of my switch. I'm going to plug that into one of the digital inputs. Now it doesn't matter which digital input you put it into. The only thing that matters is that you've put it in your program as pin mode input, so it's either looking for it to be on or off. I'll just bend that out of the way there for you a little bit. Now right now we haven't completed the circuit, so we still have to go to ground. Now if you were to go to ground from here, so for instance go right from ground to over here, you could potentially have some errors. Sometimes electricity from other devices can come back up through the ground backfeed and trick your sensor wire into thinking, hey, there's actually electricity there. So to prevent that, we're going to put a resistor, and quite a big resistor in there comparatively to other Arduino resistors. So a 10K. Now I'm going to run this to my ground bar. Now I'm going to make sure I straighten this out a little bit. Now you may have to bend yours as well. Alright, so now it's in the ground bar, but I haven't actually set up my ground bar anywhere. It's not going back to the ground yet. So we can do that anywhere along that side. And back to ground. There we go. So now when I press my power, or sorry, when I tilt this, the power is going to come through here. When it's tilted, it's going to let the power through. It's going to come up our sensor wire and say to the Arduino, yep, I see power. It's also going to go through this resistor and back to ground, completing the circuit that way as well. And there we go. We have the tilt switch.